everyone, I'm Cynthia Ruth, and in this video I will share with you several ways to help your child become a responsible person. So if this video is for you, let's get right to it.
Welcome to Ruth Straight Talk, the channel designed to help teachers, parents, and students live fuller lives, become lifelong learners, and grow into the awesome human beings you were designed to be.
Being responsible not only means getting the job done, but doing with a good attitude. So number one, start young and give children age-appropriate responsibilities. When a child takes on a household job, they contribute to the family and learn important life skills. So teach them key skills such as how to make a simple snack or how to use the broom to clean up spills. This would encourage them with independence. Number two, show kids the way. Play to a child's skill level. First, you can demonstrate how to complete the small tasks. If your son wants a snack, for example, show him where the apples are and how to wash them off. Does your daughter always throw her dirty clothes on the floor? Place a hamper in her room and show her where the day-old jeans belong. Number three, model responsibility. Talk about it. Clear off the dinner table with, "Now we put our plates in the sink," as the meal ends. Use the same inclusive "we" phrases over and over again to show them how easily you can solve problems when you work together. Ask other family members to follow suit. You will be surprised how quickly these actions become habits for kids. Number four, praise them. Kids love to help. They want to help. To them, chores don't feel like work. Keep up positive vibes by offering specific praise for actions. For example, you could say, "You hung your coat on the hook and I'm so proud of you for that." Or, "Thank you for emptying the garbage in your room." Children will develop a sense of ownership and will repeat the action. Number five, manage your expectations. When you ask your 5-year-old to make her bed, it may be lopsided. Don't criticize, but recognize that the job was done, and then the next time you're making your own bed, show her how it is supposed to be done. Number six, provide structure and routine. Kids thrive on order. Instead of offering rewards to get them to meet responsibilities, set up a morning routine with a positive end result. For example, your son must brush his teeth, eat his breakfast, and get dressed before watching TV in the morning. Notice TV is not being offered as a reward, it's just the result of finishing a routine. And he should be able to complete that routine in any order that works for him. Number seven, teach consequences. Learning to take care of his sins also helps a child develop a sense of responsibility for his actions. To get your son to clean up after his art project, for example, inform him that he won't be able to play with his crayons or scissors until the next day if he leaves a messy table. Then you need to follow through and take away his supplies if he shirks his responsibility. The more you enforce the rules, the more likely he is to clean up after himself without being asked, or at least without whining about it too much. If your daughter has to pack her bag for school each day and forgets her basketball sneakers, then she won't be able to go to practice that afternoon. As much as you want to bring her sneakers to her, don't do it. Hopefully, she'll be more cognizant of remembering her responsibilities the next time. Teaching children about responsibilities isn't easy, but what part of parenting is? It can take years and lots of practice, but if you follow these tips, you stand a better chance at raising a responsible child who eventually grows into a responsible adult. The bonus strategy: encourage your child to be a helper. According to research, children who are asked to be helpers were significantly more responsive to requests than those who were simply asked to help. In other words, asking children, you might say, "Will you be a helper and clean up this room with me?" That is more motivating to them than being told, "Clean up the room." Why? Children want to be viewed as helpers. It's an appealing idea that nurtures their sense of independence and responsibility. As they grow older, they can expand their notion of what it means to be a helper beyond the family, maybe being a helper at school or in the neighborhood or in the community. Encourage them to act upon needs that they see, such as throwing away empty bottles that they see in the park, or weeding or cutting a neighbor's flower bed or mowing the lawn. So there you have it, great ways to help your child become responsible individuals.
Thank you so much for visiting with us at ruthstraighttalk.com. If this video has helped you, please like us and leave us a comment at the bottom of the screen. And please subscribe to my channel for more great videos like this one. Until next time, happy learning and goodbye.